In this program, we are going to understand how to do the currency conversion. So basically, we are converting the dollars into rupees. And what we are doing is we are asking the user to enter the amount in dollars. And whatever the input will be given by the user, that will be in the text form because of the input function default. So we have to do typecasting. We are converting it into float here, like in the decimal value. And whatever the value is given by the user, we are storing it this in this particular variable, dollars variable. After that, we are putting up a formula like dollars multiplied by this much. Value will be converting into Indian rupees. So that is what is the current value of the dollars is 85.77. So whatever the value is given by the user, that is multiplied by this value. This will give you the Indian rupees, and that will be stored in this particular variable. After that, we are printing it with the message. So this is the name of the variable. So at the runtime, this variable will be replaced by the value, and this will be the text message because it's in the quotation marks. So it will be printed like this only. So up over here, let's run the code, and it is asking to enter the amount in dollars. Let's say we have got $100. So press enter, and it says like it turns to be 8,577 rupees.